warm and smart experiences in mobile devices. 下一位演讲嘉宾来自 vivo 公司的陈敏先生，他将为我们分享如何让生成式 AI 助力手机设备带来温暖和智慧的体验。有请。
Hi everyone, and the online listeners. Good afternoon. Welcome to Guangzhou. Welcome to Global AI Conference. My name is Ming. I work for Vivo. My work focuses on how to utilize technology, especially AI, to bring users a better life. So today the topic I will share with you is how generative AI empowers warm and smart experiences in mobile devices. Okay, so today my presentation is divided into 3 parts. The first part is a quick introduction for Vivo. The second part details how we build the cutting-edge large language models in the era of generative AI. And the third part discusses some of the warm of smart products we offer to our users based on the technology we have built. A quick introduction for Vivo. Vivo is one of the top mobile device companies with more than 500 million mobile phone users around the world. In the 28 years since the company was established, we have focused persistently on communications industry and followed a path of technological innovation. From telephones to smartphones, from 5G to operating system, our products and technologies have reached millions of households. To satisfy the diverse needs of our consumers, we have arranged 2 main brands. The main brand, Vivo, was established in 2011. Which is focusing on image and design. And in 2019, we launched our new brand, iQOO, which is focusing on performance and esports. In response to users' long-term concerns about our core experiences, we have allocated our research and design resources to 4 major fields: image system design, operating system, and performance. And at this Mobile Global Partner Conference, we also show you the latest technologies and products, such as a 6G prototype verification system, imaging, and AI. You are all welcome to visit our exhibition area and explore this with us. Okay, let's move on to today's main topic. Here I will show you the latest achievements and progress we have made in the field of generative AI. Generative AI is being taken flight due to the decades of technology evolution. First, exaflops of computing power is being available due to the Moore's law over the last 60 years. Second, trillion tokens of data has been generated by internet users around the world over the last 40 years. Third, the AI algorithms are more efficient and effective than ever after 60 years of evolution. Over the past year, the Vivo AI team has fully embraced the new trend of AI, with increased investment in talent, computing power, data, and algorithms, which achieved a great advantage of technology. Until now, we have completed the construction of a series of large language models. And we provide a matrix-type model family which we can choose to use according to business scenarios. First is 1 billion model, which we plan to use embed in mobile devices to further enhance their on-device intelligence. Second is 10 billion model, which is a lightweight model on the cloud side, which can fulfill specific requirements. Third is 100 billion model, which we would use in the cloud side to fulfill general requirements. For example, multi-tone conversation between human and AI. And the last is 1 trillion model, which we plan to use in the multimodal tasks in the future, integrating with voices and images. Okay, until now, we have encountered many unprecedented challenges, but today, I would like to share with you the 3 biggest challenges we have dealt with. First is the processing of large-scale corpus. Second is the algorithm pipeline design. Third is the training and deployment at scale. Let's take a look at the first challenge, the processing of large-scale corpus. In this stage, we designed 4 phases: data acquisition, cleaning, deduplication, and sampling. In the acquisition phase, we obtained up to 2 petabytes of raw data through crawling system, human annotation, and purchase. In the cleaning phase, different data sources adopted different cleaning algorithms to ensure the high-quality data. And the clean data was up to 100 terabytes. In the deduplication phase, we designed dedupe within and between documents. The unique data was up to 50 terabytes. And finally, in the sampling phase, by proportional sampling of different data, we obtained a data set with 2 trillion tokens. Okay, let's move to the second challenge, the algorithm pipeline design. In this stage, we divided 3 phases: pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, and reinforcement learning. In the pre-training phase, by model structure design, hyperparameter optimization, and automated evaluation methods, we ensured the model training loss steadily declined. In the supervised fine-tuning, we designed a median-level instruct data by sufficiently taking into account the data balance, diversity, accuracy, and evolvability. In the reinforcement learning phase, we designed 2 reward models considering both helpfulness and safety of the model, which is finally balanced in the reinforcement learning. Okay, the third challenge is the engineering challenge of training and deployment at scale. So let's talk about the hardware infrastructure at first. Computing power and network are the key factors. In terms of the computing power, the NVIDIA H-series has become the mainstream GPUs for training at scale. In China, top companies are starting to use H-series. Compared to the A-series, H-series offers 3 times of performance by FP16. And H-series also featured a new precision level FP8, which further enhanced the training performance. As for the network, a high bandwidth, low latency network is a key factor. Compared to the traditional TCP network, the RDMA network offers a better performance. So there are 2 kinds of RDMA solutions, infinite band and ROS. Infinite band is a high performance out of the box and making it the first choice of industry. As for the software architecture, we have also built our own training and inference framework. In terms of the training framework, our pre-training performance of 1,000 level GPUs reached as close to that of Llama 2. Among them, the acceleration rate of parallel training reached 90%, and the GPU flops utilization was over 50%. In terms of the inference framework, through inter-8 quantization, a 100 billion model can be deployed on NVIDIA A30 GPUs without loss of any accuracy. Through the optimizations mentioned above, we have achieved remarkable results in Chinese language domain. By October 1st now, our 7 billion model ranked among the top 5 in the CMMU leaderboard, CEVAL leaderboard, and took the first spot in the CMMLU leaderboard. CEVAL is a multi-level, multidiscipline evaluation suite for foundation model, and the CMMLU is a measuring massive language understanding of Chinese. Here are some of the showcases about the large language models. You can generate text for posts on social medias, and also you can generate code snippets for projects, and you can generate mind map, which is for brainstorming ideas and article outlines. And also more features are currently in development. Now, move on to the last part. Here, we will show you some of the warm and smart products we offer to our users. For our AI team, we believe technology, especially AI, can bring users a better life. So, our goal is to continuously improve the level of intelligence of our products through the AI technology. And we develop AI features on different areas, such as photo shooting, voice assistant, translation, and so on. But we also believe technology can do is more than this. Now, we are developing some new feature prototypes to make our products smarter by VivoGPT. Here are some of the usage scenarios. First is phone usage advice. You can get the best practices for using our phones to just ask in natural language. For example, how to take great photos for babies. Second is album search. You can search your album by using natural language. For example, kids in the park on the last month. And the third, you can also ask questions about your image. For example, what can be found on this park's grass? And the last is local document understanding. You can also ask questions about your local documents, such as what does this article talk about? From 2019, we have started into some vulnerable groups to study what technology can do to improve their work and life. And it was also the first time we noticed that there are 27 million hearing impairment, 17 million visual impairment, and 25 physical disability, and so on. They are not small groups of people, and they are facing some difficulties in their work and life, which we can hardly imagine. Wait a moment. Okay, for hearing impairment, we developed our 4 apps to just using our recent generative AI technology. First is Vivo Listening and Speaking, which can provide face-to-face communication without barriers. Second is Barrier-Free Call, which provides unhindered communication on the social platforms. Third is sound recognition, which can recognize important ambient sounds around. And the last is sign language interpreter, which can provide conversion between voice, text, and sign language. For visual impaired users, we are developing a new visual app called Vivo See. This app will set to launch in next year. By using the multimodal models we are building, we believe this kind of app can help the visual impaired users to improve their work and life with an easier, life without much help. For example, when the visual impaired users want to know what is in front of them, this app can describe the environment. For example, a person is sitting on a chair, and when they want to take a photo of their ID cards, the app can tell them whether to move left or right. And the third, when they want to do some paperwork, this app can tell them what texts are written on the paper. And when they want to use mobile payment, it can tell them which one is WeChat Pay or Alipay. So above is what we have been working on recently regarding AI technology and products. That's all for today. Thank you for your listening. Hope you have a great day in Guangzhou. Thank you.